Mama. Today we're going to talk about teaching our children. Some parents just come and ask me, how do I teach my children how to speak Igbo? What do I do? Where do I start? I'm going to tell you a place that you should start now. You should start from telling them to call you. Instead of calling you mommy, they should call you Nne. They should know that Nne means mother. And they should know that Nna means father. So they should call you Nnem. Nnem is my mother. Nnam is my father. So they should start from there. Every child should call you, instead of calling you mommy, the child should call you Nnem. And instead of calling you daddy, the child should call you Nnam. So they should know that Nnem is mother, my mother, and Nnam is my father. And if outsiders want to call you, they should call you Nna Adobi, Nna Obiageli, Nna Adaku, Nne Chinyere, Nna Adobi, Nne Ejike. They should get used to hearing such names around you. They should know that Nne or Nna stands for mother and father. And they should know about Nwanne too. Nwanne, they should know that their sibling is their Nwanne. Onye bụ nwanne m. Onye bụ nwanne gị. Onye a bụ nwanne m. Nwanne m eribe nni, nye nwanne m nni. They should know that nwanne is their sibling. So they should know that nwanne is my sibling, either a boy or a girl. And they should know that nwanne nwoke is my brother, and nwanne nwanyị is my sister. They should know all those things. Those are basic Igbo phrases that you use, words that you use in the home. They should use Igbo phrases and words in your homes. If you want to tell them to go and get water for you, you tell them, "Je tell them Mary, Je kuteru Mary." Stop telling them go and get water for you. If they want to call you, instead of them to call you mommy, they should call you Nne. Nne Mkedebi no. My mother, where are you? All those minor, small Igbo phrases are used at home. They should be conversant with them. If you want to tell them to go and fetch water for you, you should tell them, "Bia, Adanne, je kutere mmiri." They should know that je kutere mmiri means to go and bring water for me. Je wetere m aziza means to go and bring water, go and bring broom for me. They should know all those small Igbo phrases that you use at home. It's very important. They should know where they are coming from. You should teach them about your history as an Igbo person, as an Igbo man or an Igbo woman. They should know about your history. They should know where they are coming from. Tell them you're from Anambra State, you're from Enugu State in Nigeria. They should know all these things. If people see them on the road and ask them, "Keda Fage?" or "Keda Hagi?" they should be able to answer, "My name is this, my name is that. Afambo or Ahambo or Begeli, Ahambo Ejike." They should be able, all those little Igbo words. Before you even start with the ABD, saying the ABCD in Igbo language, you should learn all those small phrases. My name is this, Ahambo or Begeli. If someone asks them, "What Keda Fage?" or "Keda Hagi?" they should be able to tell the person Ahambo. That should be the first thing they should learn when they are having a conversation with outsiders. They should be able to say Ahambo Dike, Ahambo Ejike, Ahambo Adaku, Ahambo Chukwubuikem, Ahambo Adife Chukwu. They should be able to say those things. Keda Hanegi. When you have taught them that name means mother, they should be able to say your name in Igbo language, not say your name Ahamomimbo. What is mommy? That means I don't want to teach them how to speak your language. When they go for Christmas holidays during the December period, when people ask them, "What is your name?" they should be able to say your name in Igbo language. That is when you've started. And I encourage all parents to do the same. To start from there, telling them to call you Nne or Nna, and teaching them what their name is in Igbo language, and what your name as their father and their mother is in Igbo language, and what the name of their siblings are in Igbo language. Once they learn this basic, others are going to be very easy for them. So I'm encouraging all parents to please put this into practice. Igbo is our culture. Igbo is our language. We should be proud of who we are. We should be proud of where we are coming from. We are our history, and our history is us. There is no us without our history. Thank you so much, and do have a nice day.